Good evening, good evening. Real fan with the preacher man. Sunset Limited running a little late tonight, but that's all right. Real fan listening on my real stuff for tomorrow, Sunday worship. Hope everybody had a wonderful day, beautiful day today. Here we go. Westbound, Sunset Limited, #1, San Antonio bound, and on his way to LA. Just easing along here. Good horn. That's all right. Riding on down through the night. Y'all have a good one. Y'all be blessed. My little sister Hicks is probably ready to go. That's the end of the show. Bid y'all good night. That's all right.